With incredible precision and razor-sharp accuracy, this automated machine slices solid aluminum bars into ultra-thin sheets, fast, flawless, and perfectly engineered every time. This fully automated machine works with extraordinary precision and razor-sharp efficiency, transforming flat metal sheets into perfectly shaped fence panels, strong, durable, and built with flawless accuracy every time. This remarkable machine takes a fine blend of coconut shell charcoal and presses it with incredible precision, shaping it into perfectly round, compact briquettes, uniform in size, clean to handle, and ready for efficient burning. Imagine a machine so powerful, yet so precise, that it can pull out the massive roots left behind after a tree is cut down. Designed with a shape that resembles the sharp beak of a bird, this extraordinary tool grips deep into the ground and effortlessly lifts stubborn roots from the soil. Each movement is calculated, combining raw strength with smart engineering, ensuring no root is left behind. By removing these heavy, tangled remains, the land is cleared and prepared for a new purpose. Farmers and land developers can then transform once unusable ground into fertile fields ready for crops. With this machine, the back-breaking work of digging and uprooting is replaced by efficiency, speed, and accuracy. It doesn't just remove roots, it opens the way for cleaner soil, smoother land, and more effective use of agricultural space. Strong, reliable, and built to perform, this machine is revolutionizing how we reclaim land for farming and development. Through brilliant creativity, someone designed a unique lifting aid that helps move heavy trolleys up the stairs with ease. Using an electric-powered lever system, this invention takes the strain off manual lifting, making the process faster, safer, and far more efficient. It turns what was once a difficult task into a smooth and effortless solution for handling goods. Have you ever noticed a faint smoke rising from the center of the brakes? It's not a malfunction, it's the latest cooling system at work. As the vehicle moves, outside air is guided through special ducts to the hub at the center of the brake disc. From there, the airflow moves inside out, efficiently carrying away heat from the disc. Compared to traditional cooling methods, this design nearly doubles the cooling effect. Even during aggressive driving or on long downhill stretches, braking performance stays consistent. It's one of those subtle innovations that you might not see, but it truly enhances driving safety. In general, directly connecting two shafts can indeed transmit large torque with stability. However, the drawbacks are quite clear: high maintenance costs and extreme sensitivity to shocks and vibrations. That's why, in construction sites full of constant vibrations, people often rely on flexible couplings made of rubber. This solution is not only easy to install and cost-effective, but even when the two shafts are not perfectly aligned, the rubber belt can still adapt with flexibility. As a result, the risk of equipment failure and damage is greatly reduced. To this day, such belt-type couplings remain widely used in environments with strong vibrations. However, as the demand for higher precision and stability in machinery continues to grow, the more common approach now is to add rubber blocks between the two shafts. This way, power transmission remains precise, while at the same time absorbing shocks and vibrations. It becomes clear that, with the continuous advancement of mechanical technology, even these seemingly minor connecting components are constantly evolving and improving. This fully automated machine cuts paper with precision, applies glue, and seamlessly forms each cup into shape. In one smooth process, it produces and stacks perfectly finished paper cups, all set and ready to move into the packaging stage. This advanced machine creates threads on bolts with speed and precision. As each bolt is fed into the system, hardened rollers press against its surface, shaping clean and accurate threads that ensure a perfect fit for mechanical assemblies. This simple yet powerful machine is designed to bend solid iron bars used in construction frameworks. By applying strong mechanical force, it quickly shapes each bar to the required angle, making the reinforcement process faster, easier, and highly reliable. This heavy-duty stone crusher harnesses immense power to break down even the hardest rocks. With relentless force, it crushes massive stones into small, uniform pieces, ready to be used in construction and industrial projects. At At the heart of this incredible wood processing system stands a massive circular saw, with a blade nearly 1 meter in diameter. Its sheer size immediately captures attention, but what's even more impressive is its razor-sharp edge and remarkable precision. As the machine powers up, the blade spins at high speed, generating enough force to cut through even the largest tree logs with ease. The process begins when raw logs are placed onto the feeding track. With steady movement, the logs are guided toward the rotating blade. In a single pass, the saw slices through the solid wood, transforming heavy logs into smooth boards and sturdy beams. What once took hours of manual labor is now completed in a matter of seconds, with each cut perfectly straight and consistent. Thanks to advanced engineering, the blade maintains its sharpness and accuracy, ensuring minimal waste of material. This means more usable boards from every log, making the process both efficient and economical. Beyond speed, the machine also delivers reliability, capable of running continuously while maintaining the same level of precision cut after cut. From construction to furniture making, the uniform boards and beams produced here become the foundation for countless projects. With its massive size, outstanding sharpness, and flawless precision, this wood-splitting machine represents the perfect combination of raw power and engineering excellence, redefining how timber is processed for modern use. This remarkable tool splits solid rock with ease, using powerful leverage from inside pre-drilled holes to break the stone cleanly and efficiently. This brilliant farming tool makes digging trenches in the garden simple and efficient, delivering powerful results without requiring large costs or heavy resources. This extraordinary coil winding machine operates fully automatically, requiring no human intervention. Once activated, 2 robotic arms take over the entire process. One arm carefully guides the wire, while the other ensures each turn is placed with absolute precision. The number of windings is calculated in real time, guaranteeing consistent results every single cycle. With flawless accuracy and repeatable performance, this machine produces perfectly wound coils, ready for use in motors, transformers, and countless electronic applications, redefining efficiency in modern manufacturing. This simple yet highly effective tool is designed to clean roads and home yards from dust and dirt. At its core, the system relies on a pressurized hose that's widened at the junction, allowing multiple nozzles to spray water at once. As the tool moves across the surface, a fine sheet of water is released, washing away layers of dust and leaving the ground noticeably cleaner. Its straightforward design makes it easy to operate, cost-efficient, and practical for everyday use. Whether on busy streets or in a small backyard, this tool brings a quick and reliable solution for maintaining a cleaner, fresher environment.